All right, so we got the new pump out of the box. Looks pretty. What's in the box? Looks pretty good, actually. What do you think, Mr. Burns?
The new one?
Yeah.
Looks wonderful.
Looks great.
We're gonna get that gear core hose piping off the old one.
Yep.
Get it cleaned up real quick. Quick wipe down. Little Teflon.
Put it in the hole.
Yeah.
I'm glad I used our stud extractor. That's the second time today I got to use that, by the way.
You said today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's what you meant.
blew Scotty's fucking mind earlier with that. So we can start our studs. See, there's our old one. There's a new one. And they all came out. They all came out nice. No harm, no foul, no damage. So we'll just start them in here. Real nice. Look at that. That's some nice work. I said that's some nice work.
Oh.
The hell. All right. So that's getting ready to go. How's everything looking over there in the car, sir?
Actually, cleaned up really nice. Quick little scrape down with the razor blade.
It came with gaskets, right?
Yeah. Oh, not too bad. A little dusty in here.
Ooh, that's still a little yucky here.
I just saw that right now.
Oh yeah, that's still gasket. Ugh.
Maybe something for a new blade, I guess.
Yeah, that needs. Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Take the wire wheel that we have on the drill and just
hit it up real quick.
Just hit it real quick, yeah. Get that nice and clean. Looks good. You can see where it's been leaking. Look at the trail.
Yeah.
Oh, yucky, yucky, yucky. Poor baby. Ooh. Free air show. Free air show. Anyway. So Nick's gonna clean that up. And we'll get that ready to go. See how it burns.
Okay.
Yeah, let's clean it up. That's getting out of the old pump. Nice. Getting it all nice.
Make sure there's no junk or anything left over bullshit.
The bullshit? The bullshit? Oh, yeah. These are pretty.
Gotta get all the shit out of here?
Yeah, I'm just getting all the shit off the grid.
But now you're making markings on the other side. Now you gotta make the whole thing look good.
Yeah, you just try your name. Anyway, little brake clean, little liquid Teflon, and she's done. Look at that. Attention to detail. See, nobody around this town knows how to do that every night.
Okay.
We see a lot of shit. Well, it turned off because it's too damn hot. It's not even hot today.
Well, compared to Napa Valley, this is hot.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you were just there this weekend.
It was, the hottest was 78.
Rub it in.
Loved it. Loved every minute of it. Can't wait to go back this weekend to work.
We're going to, what's the thing this weekend?
I don't know, some Spanish thing.
No.
I don't even know how to pronounce it.
So Bernsey will get you cervezas.